Ladies and gentlemen, mini ice cream cones, shot glasses, okay? Now these are fun, they're easy, they're cute, okay? This is all about cuteness, so off the top of your cone. Now we have to seal this bad boy up with some melted white chocolate. You see that? We're using the chocolate sealant. I know, you've had plumbers over, but not like me, okay? I seal with chocolate, okay? That's the kind of plumber I am. Stick it in some sprinkles. Beautiful. Look at that. Now let's make a delicious mix that could go in there. Come up with a little bit of vanilla ice cream. Follow it up with some whipped cream vodka. Beautiful. Come behind that with some Irish cream. Yes, sir. Okay? Beautiful. And now we give this a nice little shaking. Beautiful. And then we pour in our delicious little mix. Nice and frothy and delicious. Okay? Cheers! Okay, a little bit of whipped cream on top. Tell me these aren't cute. Look how cute. I'm so sensitive. They're so cute. Oh, God. Cuteness. Stay tipsy.